Hey guys, this is Jacob from This Is My Next, and I have a preview of the Facebook app for iPad. Right now, this is actually the iPhone version of the software, but with a few property list tweaks, you can make it run in full screen on the iPad, and it has this new optimized layout. You can see along the side here, there's these navigation tabs that let you bring to the major functions of the app itself, and you can toggle those just by tapping this button up top or just swiping to the right, kind of like in the Twitter for iPad app. You can jump through various features. Your messages show up in this kind of dual pane interface that's very much like the native Mail.app. We can switch back and you see that the same kind of interface is what they're using here for upcoming events, and then you can also see birthdays and stuff like that. Places is one kind of feature that really shows Facebook's where they're kind of going with geolocation. You see how it will locate us in a pretty big map here on the side, and then if you click on friends check-in, you can then comment on it, like it, or if you tap it, it'll pop it up in a larger map and you can see that way. It doesn't show you all your friends check-ins on this main map yet in the middle, but that's probably something that we could see them doing in the future. Friends, I'll show you my profile view. You see it looks pretty much just exactly like it does on the main Facebook website. You can share photos and write on wall directly from within the app, and it pops up with these kind of menu overlays, which are the standard iPad navigation scheme kind of. So you see it'll pop up the keyboard and just like that. Up here along the top, you also see that we have these different small icons. This one's for notifications, and then for messages, and for friend requests that you have pending. So that's a little bit of the profile view. And then the other thing we wanted to show you is photos, which are actually really well done. It's kind of a take on the native iPad Photos app. And then you can scroll through them, you can pop one open. But we found like this little bug where if you zoom in, it actually just zoom you right out. So it's kind of cool actually, even if it is a bug. And then along the bottom there are these thumbnails that you can then scroll through. So if you want to do anything like that, you're good to go. And that's a quick look at the Facebook app for iPad. Again, this is still really the iPhone version that's kind of hacked to tell it that it's an iPad version rather. But we're probably expecting this pretty soon because it looks pretty close to finished, and all signs are pointing that we'll probably see something soon.